Hi, I'm Annie Smith at AQS Quilt Week, and I'm going to share with you my very favorite notion, which is still available today. But they came out in, probably 2002 or 2003, so they're on their way to being vintage. So this is what they look like. There's an aqua box, and that has 30 pins in it, and they just came out with a yellow box that has 60 pins in it, and there's a $6 price difference between these two. But this is what the package looks like that they're in, and so look for the aqua box or the yellow box, okay? And these are my favorite notion that I have ever used in my whole life, because it gives me accurate seams and perfect points every time I use them. But this is how you use them. I'll bet you anything that somebody's told you about them, or that you've seen them in a store and gone, what in the heck do people use these for? Okay. When you want perfectly aligned seams, okay, and when you have a perfectly aligned seam, then your points will always end up exactly where you need them to be, which is not getting caught in the seam allowance or floating out into space. But what you need to do is have opposing seams. So this seam allowance goes this way, this seam allowance goes this way. And then what you do is just hold on to your seam allowances this way, and then push and slide. And when your seam allowances meet or nest, as the term that we use in quilting, then you'll feel that everything is smooth and wonderful, and then you can straddle your seam allowance and pin at the same time. So 2 pins go in, 2 pins come out. And so nothing readjusts itself underneath. And the beautiful part about this is that you can flip over your piece and double check your placement for accuracy before you start stitching. Now here's the key to making this work with your piece. You put it in the sewing machine and you stitch up until you get to the pin, and then sew over your pin by turning the wheel on your sewing machine, never the motor, because if the needle and the pin collide, something's going to get broken, and it just may be your whole sewing machine. So you want to step over them without the motor on, and then what I promise you, when you open that piece up, you will find perfectly accurate seams, and your points will also be perfect for whatever quilt block you're using. Now, you can only use the fork pins when you nest your seams. You can't use them when you do Y seams or you have any other seams with any other direction. It just works the best when you can oppose your seams and nest them and pin them. But truly, it's my favorite notion, and it's made by Clover.